I just made $1,000 with this AI side hustle in 1 week. I thought it would be a complete flop, but the results totally surprised me. In this video, I'm going to break down what this AI side hustle is and the step-by-step process you can follow to get similar and probably even better results. Step 1. Make a Google Books partner account. I was looking for an alternative to Amazon Kindle, and I came across this, Google Play Books. Google Play Books is way more accessible than Amazon Kindle because it doesn't have as many complicated rules or a confusing category system. It can connect with a massive audience of over 3 billion people across more than 75 countries. Since it's part of Google, your book can get noticed by millions of readers without you needing to spend a ton of time on marketing. To sign up, just open your web browser and search for Google Play Books Partner Center. Click on the first official link that pops up. Now click on the Get Started button and fill out this registration form with your basic details and some payment information so that you can get paid directly when your ebooks sell. This is super simple to set up, and I think even a little easier than with Amazon Kindle. Step 2. Research and find trending topics. One way to find out what's popular and in demand for your ebook is to check out social media. Platforms like TikTok and YouTube are great for spotting trends. Just scroll through and take notes on what you see. Another method is to look at Google News to find out which topics are being talked about a lot. Just head over to Google News and click on Worldwide or the country that you're in. Then, look at what's coming up. Politics, economics, sports, celebrities, and businesses are always hot topics. You can also use Google Trends to see what's trending now. Click on the Trending Now tab, then set it to your country and change the time frame. At the time that I'm recording, I'm seeing a lot come up on war and politics. The situation with Russia and Ukraine stands out a lot, and I'm seeing headlines talking about drones and missiles quite a bit. This gives me the idea to create an ebook that talks about drone warfare with an analysis of what's been happening in the Russia-Ukraine conflict. If this ebook works well, then I know that I can replicate something similar for other aspects of the conflict, or even other wars in the world. For the bulk of the ebook, I'm going to include key information on the timeline of the Russia-Ukraine conflict, with a focus on how drones have been used and how they have evolved along the way. Next, I'm going to head over to ChatGPT and type in this prompt. In seconds, I'll have some great ideas generated for me, as well as an outline that will help in the next step. I'm going to go for this one. Step 3. Use AI to write the ebook. We've got our idea, title, and even a rough outline after doing some Google searching and using ChatGPT. Now, we're going to put everything together in another AI tool called SEO Writing, which will write the ebook for us. Use the link in the description to sign up for a free account to get started. The free version is pretty good for what we need, but if you want extra features, you can always choose a paid plan. After you sign up and log in, click on One-Click Blog Post. For the main keyword, I'll type in Russia-Ukraine conflict. Then, I'll copy the title I picked from ChatGPT earlier. Next, I need to tweak some settings. I'll set the language to US English, choose an informational tone, use third person, target the United States, and select a large article size since this is for an ebook. I'll also set the humanized text level to 8th and 9th grade, which is the best option. In the details section, I'll copy and paste the outline that ChatGPT made for me. You can also ask for AI-generated images to make your ebook more engaging. For the SEO part, I'll enter all the keywords I found during my research. If you don't have any keywords, SEO writing can help generate some. Then, I can suggest how the article should start, like with a fact or statistic, and decide on other details. Once everything is set, just scroll to the top and hit the Run button. Give the AI a few minutes, and you'll see what it has created. Step 4. Edit and format your ebook. After SEO writing creates your text, take a moment to review it and see if it meets your expectations. If it doesn't quite fit what you're looking for, you can easily regenerate it with the changes that you want. But if you're generally happy with the result, go ahead and copy and paste the entire text into a Google Doc. Read through it carefully, line by line, and make any edits you feel are necessary. Adding your own thoughts and insights can really help make the piece more unique. Next, organize everything with chapter headings to give it that ebook feel. Download this as a PDF file. Then, use a tool like the Best PDF to turn your PDF into an EPUB file. Step 5. Write the description and create the cover. To create a description for your ebook so that people know what to expect, we can use ChatGPT again. Just type in a prompt like this. Now that the description is all set, we just need an ebook cover. We can use Canva for this. If you haven't made an account yet, go ahead and sign up for a free one using the link in the description. In the search bar for templates, type in ebook cover. Canva offers a wide variety of templates to select from. Choose one that fits your subject pretty well. Open it up, and you'll be in the editor. Replace the placeholder text with the title of your book and type in your name as the author. Swap out any images in the template for ones that relate to your topic. You can click on elements and look for images and graphics that relate to your topic and drag them onto your cover. Or, also in Elements, you can use the AI image generator. Just click on it, then type in a prompt of what you'd like in the image. I can just download this image and put it on my ebook cover in Canva. After some editing, here's what it would look like. So, we have our ebook, description, and cover. Now it's time to get selling. Step 6. Publish your ebook. Head back to the Google Play Books Partner Center and select Add a New Book. After that, just fill out all the required information which we've put together already. This step is pretty simple. Set the price of your ebook at $9.99, which is a good amount to earn some solid revenue. Once you've filled everything out, all you have to do is wait for approval, which typically takes a few days. After your ebook is published, it's time to start promoting it. You can use social media to announce that you've written an ebook or create a dedicated page about its topic. Another option is to take advantage of the syndication features in SEO writing, which can automatically generate posts for sites like Twitter, Facebook, and LinkedIn. After you've completed everything, go ahead and do the same for more ebooks on popular subjects. These can be completely different from your first ebook, or slightly related. The more ebooks you make and sell, the more money you'll make. Luckily, AI does most of the work for you, so you can easily repeat this process again and again. Click the link in the description to sign up for a free account with the AI tools that I talked about in this video and get started with this new AI side hustle ASAP. I don't know how much longer it will stay low-key. What topics are you thinking of making your ebook about? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this.